Did you know that we've explored less than 5% of the world's oceans? That's right. 95% of the oceans remain a complete mystery to us. And what we do know? Well, let's just say it's enough to give anyone chills. So today our video is about 5 reasons why the ocean is more terrifying than space. Reason 1. The sheer depths are unfathomable. Let's kick things off with something simple: depth. The ocean is deep, and I mean really deep. Most people can't even begin to comprehend just how far down the ocean goes. The deepest part of the ocean is called the Mariana Trench. It's almost 36,000 feet deep. That's deeper than Mount Everest is tall. In fact, if you dropped Everest into the trench, the peak would still be more than a mile underwater. Now, when you compare that to space, it's actually less terrifying. The International Space Station, for example, orbits around 250 miles above Earth's surface. That's far, but it's not even close to the mind-boggling distances of the ocean floor. And while we can see into the vastness of space with telescopes, the crushing darkness of the deep sea is impenetrable to the naked eye. Imagine descending into an endless abyss, with the pressure increasing by 15 pounds per square inch for every 30 feet you go down. The ocean, my friends, is a place where no human can survive without serious technology. That's terrifying. Reason 2. Unimaginable creatures lurk in the depths. If you think aliens in space are scary, wait until you meet the creatures that live in the deep sea. At the deepest parts of the ocean, sunlight doesn't penetrate. In these pitch-black waters, strange, otherworldly creatures have evolved to survive. You've probably heard of the anglerfish, a grotesque creature with sharp teeth and a glowing lure that dangles in front of its face to attract prey. It looks like something straight out of a horror movie. And let's not forget about the colossal squid. Yes, colossal. These creatures can grow up to 46 feet long and have tentacles covered with sharp hooks. They're rarely seen, but we know they're out there, lurking in the depths. But that's not even the scariest part. In space, you have to go looking for aliens. In the ocean, these terrifying creatures are right here on Earth. You just can't see them yet. Reason 3. The ocean is full of unknowns. The ocean is a world of unknowns. As we mentioned earlier, we've only explored about 5% of it. Think about that for a second. There are entire ecosystem species and geological phenomena that we have yet to discover. There could be gigantic, undiscovered creatures lurking in the dark, waiting to be found, or worse, waiting for us to stumble upon them. And let's not forget about the possibility of underwater volcanoes or methane bubbles capable of sinking ships without warning. There are also ocean black holes that are said to be extremely mysterious and terrifying. In contrast, while space is vast and largely unexplored, we at least have some understanding of it. We know the laws of physics, we've sent rovers to other planets, and we can observe distant galaxies with advanced technology. But the ocean? It's much more immediate and far less understood. That's what makes it so terrifying. Reason 4. Unpredictable and dangerous conditions. While space is a harsh environment, it's actually predictable in many ways. Sure, there's the threat of radiation or asteroids, but once you're in space, the vacuum is relatively stable. The ocean, on the other hand, is full of sudden and violent dangers. Ocean storms can appear out of nowhere, generating waves that can reach over 100 feet high. Rogue waves, tsunamis, and powerful underwater currents can pull ships down or sweep people away without warning. Even if you're on a massive ship, you're still at the mercy of the ocean's unpredictable nature. And then there's the pressure. In space, there's no air, so no pressure to crush you. But in the ocean, the deeper you go, the more pressure builds. At certain depths, the pressure is so extreme that it would crush a human body like a tin can. Space might be a vacuum, but the ocean actively works against you. Reason 5. The ocean is right here on Earth. Now, here's perhaps the scariest reason of all. The ocean is right here. It's not millions of miles away. It's part of our planet, covering over 70% of the Earth's surface. It's something we live next to, swim in, and sail across. The ocean can appear calm and beautiful on the surface, but beneath that surface lies a world of darkness, danger, and mystery. It's easy to forget how little we know about it because it's so familiar. But that's precisely what makes it more terrifying than space. You could go your entire life without ever going to space, but the ocean, it's all around us. So there you have it. 5 reasons why the ocean is more terrifying than space. The deep-sea depths, the bizarre creatures, the unknown dangers, the unpredictable conditions, and the fact that it's right here on our planet make the ocean a place of mystery and fear. So next time you're at the beach or looking out over the water, just remember, beneath that shimmering blue surface lies a world that we barely understand. And that, my friends, is what makes the ocean so incredibly terrifying. Thanks for watching. If you found this video interesting, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more deep dives into the unknown.